Look around you. Chances are you'll see something made of glass, windows, bottles. Even the screen you're reading this on glass is everywhere. It's transparent, it's strong, and we can shape it in amazing ways. But have you ever stopped to think about how something so common is made? The journey of glass begins with simple ingredients transformed by heat and ingenuity. It's a process humans have been perfecting for thousands of years, resulting in the versatile material we rely on today. The main ingredient in glass is silica sand, which is found on beaches and deserts all over the world. Silica sand is made up of tiny grains of quartz, a very common mineral. When heated to incredibly high temperatures, the quartz melts and becomes a liquid, but pure silica sand requires extremely high heat to melt. So other materials are added to lower the melting point to make the process more manageable. These include soda ash, which makes the glass easier to melt, and limestone, which makes the glass stronger and more resistant to chemicals. To make glass, the mixture of silica sand, soda ash, and limestone is fed into a giant furnace. Inside the furnace, the mixture is heated to temperatures of over 1500 degrees Celsius. The intense heat melts the ingredients together, forming a thick molten liquid. Once the glass is molten, it can be shaped in numerous ways. One common method is glass blowing, where a blob of molten glass is gathered on the end of a blowpipe. By blowing air into the pipe and using various tools, skilled glass blowers can create a vast array of shapes, from delicate ornaments to large windows. Not all glass is created equal. By adding different ingredients to the basic mix, we can change the properties of the glass. For example, adding lead oxide creates lead crystal, known for its brilliance and clarity. Adding boron oxide creates borosilicate glass, which is heat-resistant and used for laboratory equipment and cookware. The possibilities are vast, and scientists are constantly developing new types of glass with even more remarkable properties. From the windows in our homes to the fiber optic cables that carry information around the world, glass plays a vital role in our modern lives. The next time you encounter this everyday wonder, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity and craftsmanship that goes into making it.